Okay, nakita ko na. Gusto ko kay Sir. Hi, Rap. Diba, nag-live ako para ma-help ka rin. Buti pa si Jaini Jean. I have, I have ubo-ubo. You know what ubo-ubo? Like this. Oh, no. Hospital sa Amerika din yan yung... name niya yan eh. Ubo-ubo. Yeah. Very good, very good. Now you have learned something today. Hello, Boston. Admin kasi ako dating host kasi ako kaya alam ko minsan. Right. It's ubo. It's called ubo. Norman. Hi, funny. Okay. So, I make you laugh, then you make me laugh too. Give me gift. Wow, exclusive gift. Thank you. Thank you for the exclusive gift, Candy. Guys, 700 na lang. Welcome back, Mikey. Are you gonna give me my favorite gift? This is my favorite gift, Mikey. Oh. Favorite gift ko pero hindi ko pa nararanasan. Street sweeper, hello. Thank you. Asan? Penge. Guys, this is my wish gift. My wish gift is celebrity ball. It's so beautiful, you know. O ang araw nito, mas masarap ka. Huwag kang magpapatalo. Hi, Super! Hi, James. Dami ko ano ngayon ah. Parang ngayon na lang ako ulit nakaranas ng 160 plus viewers. Joshua, hello. Kung kailan may ubo ako, dun kayo dumadami. Pag wala akong ubo, ang continue. Hi, Butler. Butler. Guys, send me this gift. Oh my gosh, crazy meal. Kung kailan may nangkikik sa live ko, dun maraming viewers. Diba?